Famously called the Textile City of India and also referred to as the knitwear capital, caters to reputed retail brands from all over the globe. It has spurred the textile industry in India for the past 3 decades. The Imperial, one of the thousands of companies in this city, has been riding this wave of success and become a leading exporter of fashion apparel for men, women and children.
I've started my factory about 1998 as a buying agency, and along with that we are growing with many factories, and we produce a lot of glitter garments and woven garments too to European market.
Established in 1998 by Guruswami Loganathan, the Imperial has grown at a steady pace under his able leadership. Loganathan started his career in 1991 as an accountant after graduating in commerce. Over the next few years, he worked in various handicraft and garment organizations in different capacities before starting the Imperial with the knowledge and experience he had gathered over the years.
After my graduation, I came to Tirupur in the year 1991 and started my career as accountant. And in the year 1992, I have started my own, sourcing agency in a small level along with my partners. And we started also, by the way, started a factory called Plush Fashion that I was running it at that time. Then in the year 1996, because of the recession, because of the yam price hike and everything, we closed down the factory, and I gone back to the work to a multinational company, joined as a merchandiser in the year 97. Then I was staying there for a year, and 98 I started back to again my own buying agency in the 1998, starting with an Italian customer. And at this moment we have increased number of customers.
The core competence of Imperial lies in manufacturing ready-made fashion garments, executing this with quality control and matching up to international standards. In fact, quality control is a stringent requisite for the majority of its clients based across the globe, especially for the European nations. The Imperial has independent departments to achieve swift manufacturing and timely deliveries.
Market brand and image maintain பண்றதுக்கும் business survey பண்றதுக்கும் very important the quality தேவை. Top management ல இருந்து bottom level வரைக்கும் quality awareness create பண்றோம் நாங்க. So அதனால எங்களால better quality எங்களால பண்ண முடியுது.
A computer-aided design section to ensure perfectly fitting garments, a sampling room where the best materials are chosen carefully, and a cutting and sewing room are where Imperial's garments take shape. Once the garment is ready, the most sophisticated scientific methods are used to ensure that it meets the highest quality parameters.
We make the quality awareness to the people from the top level to the bottom level. So we ensure that everywhere the quality level is increased by making them aware of quality. We increase the volume of production, so that we don't make any big mistakes.
Basically, most of the garments exported to other countries. To make the garment fine, we'll check the length, width, color fastness and every lateral meter to make the garment fine.
In a little more than a decade, the Imperial has established itself as a leading exporter of ready-made garments across the globe. With a 20,000 square feet manufacturing facility and an experienced and dedicated staff of nearly 300, the company has already achieved a turnover of 34 crore rupees. Expansions in product lines have also been initiated, with Imperial entering the home furnishing space.
We produce basically knitter garments. Tirupur is basically for the knitwear. So we produce knitwear for
space.
We produce basically knitter garments. Tirupur is basically for the knitwear. So we produce knitwear for all kind of segments like men, lady, kids, babies. Apart from that, we produce woven shirt, woven skirts, trousers, and anything in textile we produce. And including the socks and home furnishing products too. This is what the product we really, we produce mainly in Tirupur. 80% we produce in Tirupur, and balance 20% we produce outside of Tirupur.
Constant quality control, a satisfied customer base across the globe, and a speedy rise to success have not gone unnoticed. The Imperial has been awarded with the World Economic Forum Award for Business Leadership this year and has also received the International Achievers Award for Quality Excellence and the World Economic Development Award for Business Excellence in 2008.
The achievement that the company has made so far itself is a great achievement, because the company has started with a small 10 by 10 room in the year 1998, and within the span of 12 years the company has grown up with a bigger level, reaching 34 crores, giving the employment to about 5,000 people all around India. And of course there are many factories, and we are concentrating on mainly on the small medium exporters. So this is our company's main motto: not only making money, not only making profit, but also to develop the nation economically to the economically weaker section.
Garment production is constantly outsourced to India by major retailers worldwide, and Tirupur's reputation for quality in textiles has made it popular with well-known brands. Over the years, the Imperial, like many others, has taken advantage of this trend, built a steady client base, and woven a success story for itself.